Hello viewers, and I know you've been waiting for this one, and that is the consonant sounds in English language. The consonant sounds in English language. I'm ready to share with you all those sounds in English which are considered as consonants. But remember, I'm Willice Ochieng, talking to you all the way from Nyanza region in Kenya. Now, we go straight to the first one which I want you to remember or to master. Right here, that is sound B, like in bell, boy, cab, rib, and robber. Robber. If you like, also the sound is in the word rubber. Rubber, the eraser. Rubber, robber, rib, cab, boy, and bell. You can hear that sound B. That's a consonant sound that you should be aware of in English. Clear? Good. Now let's move to the next sound, and that is this one. That is now sound P. A bit confusing with B. This is P because certain sounds, certain consonant sounds are produced from the same place or the same position, so much such that when the qualities are different, they're a bit confusing. Now we had B, now it's P. Just like in the word pan, pen, tap, zip, or pepper. Pepper. P-E-P-P-E-R. Pepper. Clear? You can see the word right here. But the sound is P. That is a consonant sound that you should know about in English language. Clear? Good. Now we move to the next sound. The next consonant sound is right here. That is sound G. Sound G. Just like in the word gas. Gas. Goal. Goal. Leg. Leg. Then jogging. Jogging. What you may realize is I'm trying to also let you know that when we have doubled consonant letters, they also have one sound, or they can have more than one. Clear? Get them right. So here we have the word jogging. So double G or GG taking sound G. Clear? Good. Now let's move to the next sound, and it's a sound that many people are aware of. This sound. The sound is K. K. Just like in key, car, chorus, account, sick, sick, acquire, tract, tract. Different combinations of letters, but the sound is K. You get them clearly? Or even a single letter like letter C in the word car, but it takes sound K, which is a consonant sound in English. Clear? Good. Now let's move to the next consonant sound, and it's sound D. D. Just like in den, dog, bed, sad, ladder. Ladder. Clear? Good. Now the next one is right here. That is sound T. T. Like in tap, tap, torch, torch, bat, bat, B-A-T, bat. Then we also have letter, letter, and clapped, clapped. You can hear the sound T in those words. That sound T is a consonant sound in English. Clear? Good. Now let's move to the next one. That is a consonant, or the consonant sound J. J. Just like in the word jeep, jeep, gender, gender, badge, badge, gradual, gradual, suggest, suggest. Here we have G, G or double G, but taking sound J. Suggest. And then we have a tricky one, the last one. Many people say adjust, but please, you simply say adjust, to adjust, adjourn, adjournment. Tricky, a combination of D and J for the sound J, adjust. Clear? Good. Now let's move to the next sound, and that is sound ch. Ch. Now, the sound ch, like in chest, chest, nature, nature, sketch. In sketch we have a trigraph, that is T, C and H, 3 letters, that is 3 letters combining to represent the sound ch, trigraph. Clear? Sketch, concerto, concerto, and cappuccino, cappuccino. Some of these borrowed words also are examples when we deal with the sounds in English. Clear? Now, let's move to sound V. V, like in van, voice, of, savvy. Clear? Good. Now, let's move to the next one. That is sound F, like in. When you look at this sound, it may confuse you with V, but you say F, fan, phone, cough, offer. Clear? Great. Let's move to the next one, and that is sound L, like in lamp, lamp. Clear? This sound L, lamp, lion, lion, cellar, cellar. Clear? Good. Let's move to the next one, and that is sound R, R, like in row, row, rope, rope, and sorry, sorry. Sound R. Clear? Then we move to sound N, N, neck, nest, pen or pin. The word I have for you is pin, but also in pen. N. Then winner, winner. N, but sound N. Winner. Clear? Good. Then we move to the next sound, that is sound N. N. Just like in bank, sink, tongue, tongue, wing, wing. Clear? Good. Now let's move to the next sound, and that is sound Z, like in zip, puzzle, reason, scissors, zaz, scissors, and then you have also boys, boys. That plural S takes sound Z. Clear? That is if it comes after a vowel sound or when it follows what we call a voiced sound. The sound produced with the vibration of the vocal cords. Clear? Good. Now let's move to sound S. S. Another consonant sound in English, like in sun, miss, sell, seen, or cups. Cups. Now the plural S takes the sound S when it comes after a voiceless or an unvoiced sound. Like now, p, p, ps, k, ks, cox, cox. Clear? Get it right. And then please, when we learn these sounds, you have always also to do some practice on your own. That is the way to master the sounds in English. Clear? Let's now look at a tricky sound in English, that is J. Sound J, like in casual, casual, visual, visual, mirage, mirage, or mirage. Clear? That's a sound you should really practice and master. J, J, just like collision, head-on collision. Clear? Get them right. Now, let's come to sound sh, the unvoiced sound sh, like in shoe, shoe, sugar, sugar, passion, passion, and we have nation, chef, don't say chef, chef, a chef. Then official, official, conscious, conscious. What you may realize is different letters combining to represent the sound sh in English. Clear? Good. Now let's move to the next one, and that is sound the. The. Just like in this, that, breathe, breathe. You get the words and the sound the voiced sound the. This, that, breathe. Clear? Good. Now let's move to that voiceless sound th, th. Just like in 30, 30, thorn, thorn. And we also have breath, breath, the noun, breath. Clear? Good. Now the next one is sound h. Just like in the word hall, hall, hill, hill, house, house. As a noun you say house. The verb house, to house somebody or something, house, a verb. But the sound which we are keen on is h. Clear? Good. Now let's move to the next sound, that is sound m. Like in the word man, man, swim, swim, and hammer, hammer. Sound m. Clear? Good. Now we go to the next one is sound w. W. Like in wall, well, one, one. The word is not having W, but you have that sound w. One. Number one. One. Well, wall. Clear? Good. Now, we also have finally here that sound y. Like in the word yam, yellow, union. The word begins with the letter U, but the sound is y. Union, just like unity. So that consonant sound y is found in this word union. Then you, a you, E-W-E, a female sheep. You say you, you. So you can realize there's that consonant sound y, you, not an, ewe. Ewe, no. You, you with the sound y. So yam, yellow, union, you. Clear? Good. Then, now I have also to give you a summary which is very important for you. Some sounds are a bit confusing. Like you say big pig, big pig. Please practice such cognate consonants. Big pig, b and p. Joke, joke. The second one, joke and choke. Joke, choke. The third one, den, den and ten. D and t. Den, ten. Then we have the next one. That is v and f. Van and fun. The next one, g and k. Gap, cup. The next one, l and r. Don't confuse them. Law, law, and row, row. The next one, s and that is not even s, but now I would take you to n. Sound n and n. That is in sin, n. Sing, n. Clear? Then z and s. Zip, zip. Then sip, to sip water. Zip, zip on your clothes. Clear? Then we go to that sound th, th, 30 and this. But we begin with this sound the. You learn to produce it. You must master that sound. The. This, that, then, those. But also sound th, th. 30, thorn, thin, and all that. Clear? Then you have sh and s. Sheet, sheet, and seat. Don't confuse them. Sheet, a sheet of paper. Sheet. Then seat, seat. You can be a bit, disturbed or confused by those sounds, sh and s. Then we have also j, the voiced sound j, like in casual, and sugar, sh, sugar, j, casual, sh, sugar. Clear? You have to master sounds in English for you to be good at spoken English, pronouncing words well. Otherwise, that is it that's about it for the consonant sounds in English. If you want to interact with me further, or you want some lesson, you want whatever it is, but remember, you should always view, like, and subscribe to support this initiative. So please, if you want to reach me further, you can always send me a short text message, or you can email me. But just check the contacts. Yes, that would just lead you to talking to me or giving your contribution in terms of maybe a word, a point, or something that you want to get clearly about English as a language. Clear? Otherwise, I am Willice Ochieng, always talking to you from Nyanza region in Kenya. And for this moment, I just have to tell you something. What you are waiting for now, what will follow, because I've really focused on letters and their names, the letters of the English alphabet and their names. Now I have also focused on the consonant sounds in English, and previously I focused on the sounds or the vowel sounds in English. Now the race will just begin. The race to mastering sounds and so many other things in and about English. Let English be English. Otherwise, I have now to tell you bye.